Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Silica board and Kalsiboard. We will explore the unique properties and common uses of each material, helping you understand their strengths. By the end, you will have a clearer picture of which board is the ideal choice for your construction or renovation project, ensuring you make an informed decision for lasting quality and performance. Silica board, also known as calcium silicate board, is renowned for its superior fire resistance, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 650 degrees Celsius or even 1,000 degrees Celsius for specialized types. It also boasts impressive thermal insulation properties, helping to minimize heat loss or gain. Furthermore, it is highly resistant to moisture and offers good sound absorption, making it a durable and stable choice for various demanding applications. Kalsiboard is a popular fiber cement board, celebrated for its robust durability and resistance to environmental factors. It stands strong against moisture, termites, and mold, ensuring it won't warp or rot even in humid conditions. Available in thicknesses from 3.5 mm for ceilings to 12 mm for external cladding, Kalsiboard is a versatile, asbestos-free option suitable for both interior and exterior applications, offering a smooth finish for paint or tiles. When deciding between Silica board and Kalsiboard, consider your project's specific needs. Silica board is often the go-to for applications requiring extreme fire resistance or high thermal insulation, such as industrial settings or fire-rated partitions. Kalsiboard, on the other hand, provides excellent all-around durability, moisture resistance, and ease of use for a wider range of general construction, including ceilings, walls, and wet areas. Both are excellent, asbestos-free choices, but their specialized strengths guide the best application.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.